Okay, so let's get back to what matters arising. So you might have heard that the third accused person, Mr. Jakpa, may have made some serious allegations in court recently concerning the ambulance cases. And what is interesting is that the AG, we don't know whether it is in response to these allegations, have also published or brought out the plea bargains that these accused persons have been bargaining for. And so people have said, including a lot of lawyers have said, that if you look at the Plea Bargain Act, what he has released cannot be a response to the allegations that Mr. Jakpa has made in court. Bernard, I don't know whether you've heard clearly the accusations by the third accused. What's your...
Yes. I would say this is actually something that we've all noticed in our Syrian just these few days ago. And you see, Honorable Otto Forson is actually a great politician, and we all know that. But he's actually in a position right now where he's actually facing the law. And he's not just facing the law because the Attorney General just wants him to face the law. It's because he's actually done harm to Ghanaians. What has he done? He had the opportunity to actually deliver something to Ghanaians, deliver something to us. And then he is actually in a situation where he's causing financial loss to the state, which hasn't been proven yet. But in his stance, he feels he's actually going to face the law, and then he's actually going to go to prison. Maybe. I'm not actually trying to...
so is it that if they find him guilty of the charges, he'll be made to refund or go to jail, or the law provides that he can serve two?
So you see, his lawyers are advising him very well. So yes. So this bargaining thing the Attorney General actually brought out, I think his lawyers are doing a good job for him. And he has a lawyer Bassett. He's actually a very good lawyer.
So this plea bargain actually is for the third accused. However, because the third accused is the representative of Big C, the company in Ghana, the plea bargain, by extension or by default, may reduce some of the charges that will be on the others, if you understand. So the plea bargain, I think, is from the accused person, the third accused person, Mr. Jakpa. I haven't seen a plea bargain from KSL to Forson yet. I haven't seen a copy of that, but the plea bargains that we have seen dated 2023. My concern here is that this month was when the allegations in court happened. And so I'm wondering how that could be a response. And we know what the allegations are, just to remind you that the accused person says that the Attorney General seems to be engaging him to help provide certain information that may indirectly incriminate the Attorney General. And so we don't know whether this is him trying to... Is this some sort of justice perversion, or I don't know. I cannot.
I don't think so. I don't think so. I think since they started this court process, we've all been following it, and then looking at the evidences provided by the Attorney General, everything looks so true that the minority leader actually didn't do what he was, supposed to do, and if not for the intervention of the president and then Minister Hawa Kumsin, we wouldn't have, seen these ambulances around. And then he was given an opportunity to work for the country, to provide the country with ambulances.
By the direction of his boss?
By the direction of his boss.
The then finance minister, or?
Yes.
Did he take the decision by himself?
No, but he actually took charge of certain positions in getting to that point where he was supposed to deliver the ambulances. That is what we all know. Okay,
so what's the challenge? The challenge is that the ambulances didn't come in the form and shape and nature that it was supposed to have come.
Yes.
was there concern about the cost and the amount? But that's why there's a plea bargain. And if you know what a plea bargain is, okay, we want the ambulances returned back to us. We shall pay this X amount of money, which the Attorney General has rejected.
If you think he did his job in the right way, why would he actually go ahead to actually get himself getting a plea bargain now?